We're on our way along the Coronagala route towards the Mahagedara wellness retreat in Sigiriya. Along the way, we witness the sights and smells of Sri Lankan culture, the long road ahead, the paddy fields, and green mountains afar. At one time, going through Coronagala, we made a stop at a roadside tea shop for a bit of relaxation, and we spotted a few of these stalls preparing Pol Roti. So, setting our sights here, it inspired us to make for you this dish on our next episode. Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Mahagedara. For this very simple recipe, you will need half a coconut grated, 3 cups of plain flour, lukewarm water, coconut oil, salt and pepper to taste. First, add your grated coconut and flour into a clean vessel. Into this, add 2 tablespoons of salt and about 2 tablespoons of the oil. Then gradually add water into the mixture whilst kneading it with your hand. The idea is to knead it into a dough and bring it to a consistency where it wouldn't stick to your hand, like this. Then place the dough that you had just prepared onto a clean surface or a clean plate and pull off rolls of the dough, shape them into little balls and keep them aside. Now, after rolling off the dough balls into shape, take a plate, apply a little blot of oil onto the surface or so as to prevent the dough from sticking, and gently press the dough and shape it into a flat circle. Meanwhile, put on a flat frying pan on medium heat and place your now flattened dough onto one side. Whilst you leave the roti to heat, start flattening out another dough ball. Leave the roti to cook for about 2 minutes on each side and then remove it from the heat. Rotis can be eaten for breakfast, dinner, or even as a snack with marmalade, peanut butter, or Nutella. And there you have it. Thank you for watching.